In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and export a graphic asset from a plugin inside your project file. To get started, open your project file and make sure you're in the workspace where you want to bring in your visual asset. This could be an icon, a small illustration, or another stock graphic element that supports your design. Once the file is open, take a moment to confirm that everything has loaded correctly so you can work smoothly without interruptions. Next, look for an asset search plugin such as Icons 8 or Flat Icon. The exact location may vary depending on the software you're using, but in most cases, you'll find plugins somewhere in the main menu, toolbar, or extensions area. If you already know the name of the plugin you want to use, simply search for it and open it from there. The goal at this stage is just to access a plugin that lets you browse external graphic assets without leaving your project environment. After opening the plugin, click Run to launch the plugin search interface. This is the point where the plugin becomes active and gives you access to its search tools, categories, and downloadable assets. If the panel takes a moment to appear, that's completely normal. Just wait for it to fully load before moving on. A clean load will make it easier to browse and avoid selecting the wrong file by mistake. Once the search interface is open, locate the graphical icon or stock element you want to use. Try to choose something that fits the style, size, and purpose of your project. If you're working on a polished design, consistency matters, so it helps to look for visuals that match the rest of your layout. You can usually search by keyword or browse through categories until you find the right option. When you found your target asset, make sure to choose PNG as the export format. This is an important step because PNG is widely supported and works especially well for graphic elements that need transparency or easy placement into a design. Before confirming the export, double-check that PNG is selected rather than another file type, since choosing the wrong format can create extra cleanup later. Once that's done, you're ready to continue using the exported asset in your project. That's the full process for opening your file, launching the plugin, finding the right graphic, and selecting PNG for export.